Hi everyone, welcome back to Ezekis. So, I work army is a size 5, yes, but it's a correction of the size 5. So let's correct the size 5 briefly. A size 5 is telling us to give the structures of A, B, and then C. To give these organic structures, we have to write a balanced equation. So let's write the equation for the formation of P. The organic compound will last expand the main compound C, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, yeah. So the compound is having 4 carbon. So that's the 4 carbon compound. Okay. The 4 carbon compound. Upon the reagent is KOH in and aqueous CH. Slowly KOH. It is reflux. It's reflux. So remember, aqueous medium favors nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the mechanism is nucleophilic substitution. What is physical significance? The OH group replaces the halogen. So at the end of the day, we're having CH3, CH2, OH plus chemical. Bây come out. How about A is Britain 1 or there's another one. So let's go to the formation of B. So B on its history, CH2 on 2, CH2, CH2, Br. KBH, alcohol, prefix. So alcoholic medium favors elimination reaction. It's an elimination reaction, eh? So halogen will be eliminated from the organism, but halogen is being eliminated. So how is halogen being eliminated? This mechanism, if it asks you, is it an SN mechanism or an E mechanism? When I talk about SN means nucleophilic substitution or an elimination reaction, that's what I'm talking about, E mechanism. The reaction is no more SN, but it's an E. Why? Because the reagent has changed. In an alcoholic medium, the reaction is an elimination reaction. In an aqueous medium, the reaction is a substitution reaction. In this case, we have an alcoholic medium, so reaction is elimination. For this one, I will have C2, 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 C8, very good, C2, plus maca plus KDR. Those are the end product of the reaction. Then now we're going to see C now will have the formation of compound C. So the formation of compound C will have the formation of an amines and amylase. So this is not happening in the formation of amines. CH3, CH2, Y3, dot, here, let me put the amino group NH2 or the ammonia, sorry, not amino yet. So my line is not so straight and shady line. Ammonia is plus aqueous ammonia in excess. So when you put aqueous ammonia, the ammonia have 3 hydrogen atoms. One of the hydrogen atom takes bromine to form HBr. What is left now is an NH2 group. So we're left with C3, CH2, 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 NH2 plus H is L comes from C, H comes from B. You see that A and B have the same major. One distinguished them is the reaction condition. In an aqueous medium, an alcohol is formed. The reaction is an SN. You go feel it. In the process of an alcoholic medium, the reaction is elimination reaction. We have an alkene there as well. So in a nutshell, I've given the structures of A, B, and C. Thank you for watching. Follow more on EduCris.